Lesson 6, chapter is lesson 6, E1. Why are equatorial forests known as evergreen forests? Give a few examples of trees found there. This is the first question of E1, lesson 6. Now, am I audible to all of you? आप लोग सभी मुझे सुन रहे हैं? Am I audible to all of you? You are listening me? Priyanshu, what is your chat? Yes, ma'am. No, ma'am. Rishabh Raj, why not you are listening me? Why not you are listening me? What is your problem, reason? All are listening, but you are not listening. You are saying, no, ma'am. All are listening, you are not listening. That is not a problem. You find problem, it is with you. From your network, it may be. Then I cannot, because most of the students are saying, except of you are saying that they are listening me. Up. Yes, that is a network issue. Now, what are the equatorial forests? Why are the equatorial forests known as evergreen forests? Give a few examples of trees found there. The answer is equatorial forests are known as evergreen forests because these forests receive heavy rainfall throughout the year and remain green throughout the year. Main trees found in these areas are ebony, rubber, mahogany, rosewood, etc. This is the answer of question number 1. Now I want that someone of you should repeat this answer. Who will repeat this answer? Raise your hand. I will give you a chance to read the answer. Kumar Ansu. आप बोलिए. कुमार अंशु, repeat the answer. 7B. बोलिए.
Equatorial forests are known as evergreen forests because these forests receive heavy rainfall throughout the year and remain green throughout the year. Main trees found in these areas are ebony, rubber, mahogany, rosewood, etc.
Okay, very good. Now question number 2. Go on question number 2. What role do plants play in the ecological balance? First answer is plants provide soil erosion. Plant provide provide not. Plants avoid soil erosion. Answer लिखिए. Plants avoid soil erosion. Plants provide natural habitat to birds and animals. Plants provide natural habitat to birds and animals. Point 3, they help to maintain the balance of oxygen and carbon dioxide in the environment. Point 3, they help to maintain the balance of oxygen and carbon dioxide in the environment. They help to maintain the balance of oxygen and carbon dioxide in the environment. Now, who will read this answer? Ayush Ratan, 7B. Ayush Ratan. पढ़िए आंसर को पढ़िए. आयुष रतन, 7B. Ayush Ratan. Ayush Ratan. Now, Ayush Ratan. आयुष रतन नंबर 2 का आंसर दीजिए. आयुष रतन. आयुष रतन. आंसर क्वेश्चन नंबर 2.
Yes, ma'am. Plants help.
आयुष रतन.
Point 1.
Yes,
Plants
question.
help to maintain
हाँ.
proper balance of oxygen and carbon dioxide in the environment. Point 2. It helps to prevent soil erosion. Point 3. Plants provide natural habitat for birds and animals.
Very good. Now, question number 3. That is, distinguish between tropical and temperate grassland. Point 3 is distinguish between tropical and temperate grassland. So first we will write the tropical grassland. Answer the point wise देंगे. Point 1, they are located between the equatorial forest and the hot deserts in the both hemisphere. This is the point 1. They are located between the equatorial forest and hot deserts in both the hemisphere. This is point 1. Point 2, these grassland receive about 100 centimeter rainfall. This is point 2. Point 3, the grasses of this region are very rough, thick and tall. Example इसके साथ ही लिख देंगे. Compass in Brazil. That is on page number 42. Answer is on page number 42. Now our next is temperate grassland. Point wise इसको भी देंगे. Point सिर्फ लाइन बदलेंगे. लाइन बदलेंगे. फर्स्ट लाइन में इसको लिख देंगे. and सेकंड जब ये खत्म हो जाएगा, जब when the answer is over completed tropical grassland का, तो उसी के नीचे वाले स्टिक लाइन में सेकंड शुरू करेंगे temperate grassland. Point 1 देंगे. These grasslands are located in the temperate zone and in the interior parts of the continent. This is the point 1. Point 2, this grassland receive about 25 to 75 centimeter rainfall. अब वहां देखिए वो 100 centimeter या 25 to 75 centimeter. They sometimes, point 3, they sometimes receive snowfall also. Point 4, the grasses of these region are short and soft. Example, prairies in North America. Example, prairies in North America. The answer is completed now. And who will read the answer? Raise your hand. I will give you a chance. Who will read the answer? Raise your hand. I will give you a chance. Priyanshu Kumari. Priyanshu Kumari, read the answer. Priyanshu Kumari, read the answer. Yes.
Tropical grasslands.
No, first at all read the question. Read the question.
Distinguish between tropical and temperate grasslands.
Yes.
Answer. Tropical grassland. First point. They are located.
Yes.
They are located
Yes.
between equilateral forests and hot deserts in both the hemispheres. Second point, these grasslands receive about 100 centimeter rainfall. Third point, the grasses of these regions are very rough, thick and tall. Example, Campos in Brazil. Temperate grassland.
Yes, point 1. Yes, point 1.
These grasslands are located in the temperate zone and in the interior parts of the continent. Second point, these grasslands receive about 25 to 75 centimeter rainfall. Third point, they sometimes receive snowfall also. Fourth point, the grasses of these regions are short and soft. Example, prairies in North America.
Very good. Now, this is time of question number 4. Question number 4 is differentiate between hot and cold desert. Hot and cold desert. Differentiate between hot and cold desert. Now, question number 4, sorry. Hot deserts. First at all, we will write hot desert. Answer लिखेंगे hot desert. Point wise. Point 1. They are point 43 को देखिए. Page number 43 को देखिए. These are mostly located on the western margin of the continent. This is point 1. Point 2. Temperature remains very high throughout the year. Example इसी के साथ temperature के साथ ही लिख देंगे. the Sahara Desert, the Thar Desert. Example, the Sahara Desert, the Thar Desert. उसके बाद लिखेंगे cactus, shrubs and bushes are the common vegetation of this area. This is third point. The same way, in the same way, change the line and write cold desert. The cold desert, point 1. The cold deserts are mostly found around the polar regions. Full stop दे देंगे. Point 2. Temperature remains below freezing point for the major part of the year. Example, northern part of Siberia and northern part of Canada. एक भी लिख सकते हैं आप इसमें, दोनों लिखने की जरूरत नहीं है. Point 3. The common vegetation is comprised of mosses and lichens. This is the answer of question number 4. Differentiate between hot and cold desert. पहला differentiation कहाँ? Where they are located. Second क्या हुआ? Their temperature. And third क्या हुआ? Vegetation. Yes. Now who will read the answer? Raise hand. I will give you a chance to repeat the answer from your side, from the student side. No. Now, who will? Prince Raj now. Prince Raj, आप बोलिए आंसर को. Prince Raj. Prince Raj, बोलिए, पढ़िए आंसर को. Prince Raj.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Prince.
First point,
हाँ,
hot
बोलिए.
desert का ma'am.
Difference. No, first.
These are the mostly
Prince, please be
located.
silent. तुम लोग कभी क्वेश्चन नहीं पढ़ते हो. Prince, silent. Differentiate between hot and cold desert. चलो पढ़ो.
Difference between hot and cold desert. Hot desert, ma'am. First point, these are the mostly located
Yes.
on the western margin of the continent, where the temperature remain very low, very high throughout the year. Example,
High.
second point, example, Sahara Desert and Thar Desert, etc. Third point, cactus, shrub, and bushes are the common vegetation of this area. और मैम cold desert का मैम first point, the cold desert are mostly found around the polar region, where the
Yes.
temperature remain below the freezing point for the major part of the year.
Yes.
Second point, the common vegetation of the comprised of a mosses, lichen, etc. Or third point, ma'am, northern part of northern part of the Siberia and northern part of Canada.
This is not the third point. The example है तो second, temperature remain very high throughout the year. Example, northern part of Siberia and the northern part of Canada. That the common vegetation, third point is common vegetation is mosses and lichens. This is the third point. Prince Raj, this is the third point. Now I am giving a chance to Kumari Srishti. Kumari Srishti, आप जो हैं लेसन इस 4 को फिर से पढ़िए. कुमारी सृष्टि. कुमारी सृष्टि, क्वेश्चन
Differentiate
पहले पढ़िएगा. हाँ, यस, चलिए बोलिए.
hot and cold desert. Hot desert.
Hmm.
These are mostly located in the western margin of the continent. Second point, temperature remains very high throughout the year. Example, Sahara Desert, Thar Desert. Third point,
Yes.
the shrubs and bushes are the common vegetation of these areas. Cold
Yes.
desert. First point, the
Yes.
cold deserts are mostly found around the polar region. Second point, the temperature remains below freezing point for the major part of the year. Example, northern part of Siberia, northern and northern part of Canada. Third point, the common vegetation is comprised of mosses and lichen.
वेरी गुड, बहुत बढ़िया. नेक्स्ट है क्वेश्चन नंबर 5. Ecological imbalance. What steps should we take to solve There are here the question is in two parts. First part is what are the various problem, क्या क्या problem है, और फिर उसको हम लोग लिखेंगे. Yesterday in my yesterday class also I have repeated, we have done the answer, but there was net problem. That's why I am revising the answer again. So please all of you pay attention, and those who have written it is very good. Now ध्यान दे देंगे थोड़ा सा. The various problems related to the ecological imbalance are, go on page number 44 and 45 से related होंगे. Ecological imbalance, the point one, the areas under the forest are fast decreasing. Point two, in the wildlife community, a few species like tigers, lions, etc. are already facing the danger of extinction. Point three, the pollution level in different countries is rising alarmingly, and there is a considerable rise in the global temperature. Point four, a few glaciers have also started melting in the polar ice. After that, we will change the paragraph and तब लिखेंगे पेज नंबर 45 का. It was now it is question number question number 5. We will I have already told you that the point one was which I have given you is the areas under forest are fast decreasing. This is the point one. Point two, in the wildlife community, a few species like tigers, lions, etc., tiger, lion, etc., are already facing the danger of extinction. Point three is there is the pollution level is in different countries is rising alarmingly, and there is a considerable rise in the global temperature. Point four, a few glaciers have started melting in the polar ice caps. After that, we will change the paragraph and write from answer from page number 45. In order to maintain the ecological balance, afforestation should be taken up on a large scale. Full stop. Hunting of animals should be strictly banned. रुक जाना चाहिए. For the preservation of different animals species, the government has set up wildlife sanctuaries, national parks, and biosphere reserves. Is it clear to all of you? ये आप लोग सबको clear हो गया? Now I want who will read the answer. one student is waiting in the waiting room और name उसने रखा है सबका पापा. The name of the student is सबका पापा. This is the name. A student, these types of student claim that they should allow to enter in the classroom. How it is possible? Now it is अपराजिता 7A. अपराजिता, आप इस आंसर को पढ़िएगा. अपराजिता, अपराजिता पढ़िए. अपराजिता, 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 what is your problem अपराजिता?
Yes, ma'am.
आप पढ़िए क्वेश्चन, पहले क्वेश्चन पढ़िए फिर इसका आंसर पढ़िए. पढ़िए.
Various problems related to the ecological imbalance should be taken to solve them. Page number 145. Human
Yes.
impact on the ecosystem. The areas under the forest are fast decreasing. Point 2. In
Yes.
the wildlife committee, a few species like tigers, lions, etc.
Oh,
are
why?
already.
Yes, yes. Aparajita, why have you have written the word human impact on the ecosystem? I have not given you this as a point.
टॉपिक है
No,
उस पेज का
नहीं तो टॉपिक है तो ओ नो नो टॉपिक को आपको बोलना ही नहीं था, बाकी बच्चे इसको लिख लेंगे. नो नहीं, आपको लिखना, ये बोलना भी नहीं है. पेज
Okay,
नंबर
ma'am.
44 से आपको. यस, चलिए फिर से बोलिए.
The areas under the forest are fast decreasing. In the wildlife
Yes.
committee, a few species like tigers, lions, etc. are already facing the danger of extinction. The pollution level
yes.
in different countries is rising alarmingly, and there is considerable rise in the global temperature. A few glaciers have also started melting in polar ice caps. फिर para
Yes.
change in order to maintain the ecological balance, afforestation should be taken up the large scale. Hunting of animals should be strictly banned. For the preservation of different animal species, the government has set up wildlife sanctuaries, national parks, and biosphere reserves.
वेरी गुड, बहुत बढ़िया. नाउ दिव्यांश दर्शिल. दिव्यांश दर्शिल, रीड द क्वेश्चन नंबर 5. दिव्यांश दर्शिल. दिव्यांश दर्शिल, क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 पढ़िए. दिव्यांश दर्शिल. दिव्यांश दर्शिल. यस, पहले क्वेश्चन पढ़िएगा फिर आंसर पढ़िएगा. दिव्यांश दर्शिल. दिव्यांश दर्शिल. Divyansh Darshil, you are not listening me. Now Arohi Yadav. Arohi Yadav, आप पढ़िए. आरोही यादव. आरोही यादव, I have unmuted you. Arohi. Arohi, I have unmuted you. Arohi. Arohi. I have unmuted you. Arohi.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ चलो
Yes,
पढ़ो.
ma'am.
आंसर 5. हाँ पढ़ो, क्वेश्चन पढ़ो फिर आंसर दो.
Point
चलो.
1. Point 1. The areas under
Yes.
the forest are fast decreasing. Second point.
Decreasing.
In the wildlife
Decreasing.
community, a few species like tiger, lions, etc. are already facing the danger of extinction. Point 3. The pollution level in different countries is rising alarmingly, and there is a considerable rise in the global temperature. Point 4. A few glaciers have also started melting in the polar ice caps.
After that?
Change paragraph. In
हाँ,
order
बोलिए.
to maintain the ecology. Yes, ma'am.
यस, हाँ बोलिए बोलिए. In order to maintain the ecological
balance, reforestation should be taken up on a large scale, and hunting of animals should be strictly banned. For the preservation of different animal species, the government has set up wildlife sanctuaries, national parks, and biosphere reserves.
very good. बहुत बढ़िया. Now, children, write the question answer in your copy, geography copy, and draw the diagram which I have already given you in Monday class. I will ask question number. I'm giving you the question number 3. Question number 3 हम पूछेंगे आप लोगों से. Question number 3 I will ask from you in your Monday class. और किसी को कुछ पूछना हमसे तो पूछ लेंगे. क्लास ग्रुप में जाकर के पूछ लेंगे हमसे. This is your homework, children. Now have a good day. Any problem? Any problem? किसी का कोई प्रॉब्लम है? चैट बॉक्स में 2 चैटिंग है. Who is asking? आरोही कुमारी सृष्टि, what is your problem? Ma'am, good day, ma'am. Okay. दिव्यांश दर्शिल. और किसी का? No problem. Now, children,